This is beef fry. Avial. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ ಪೀರೆ ಆಡೋ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಪುಳಿಶೇರಿ ಅದು pork. Parota and beef curry. This is what I'm going to eat right now, and this is the delicacy. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to travel from Cochin Domestic Airport to a place called Pala. This is in Kottayam district. We come here for a 2-day visit. That is in the month of June, and we are going to spend some time with our family members in Kottayam, in Pala. So come on along with us. Let's enjoy our travel together in Kerala, God's own country. This is the Kerala Domestic Airport and looks really like a house. I like that elephant over there. Looks nice. So today is my parents' wedding anniversary, and we all wish them a happy and prosperous 59 years. 59 years of marriage life, and I hope it continues another couple of years. Happy wedding anniversary, Dad and Mom.
Thank you very much.
We're going to be in Pala. It takes 1 hour and 46 minutes from the airport, and it's a lovely drive. Yeah, but it's kind of looking a little risky with all the traffic coming opposite us. I think this is the river that we saw from there. The river that we crossed right now is called the Kalidi River. This is a town next to the airport. It's in Thrissur. So I think this is Thrissur district. And in that a small town is called Kalidi. The climate is pretty warm and I started to sweat. How are you feeling? It's pretty warm, the climate, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. I guess we have to get used to it. Anyways, so we are still en route. It's another hour or so. It's around 60 kilometers, from 65 kilometers exactly, from the airport to Pala town. So it takes 1 hour, given the traffic conditions. And today is a Friday, it's a working day, so it takes almost 1 hour 45 minutes for us to reach there. Now we are in a place called Perumbavoor, important town in Kerala state. But there is a lot of traffic, but you just can't compare the traffic to what we experience in Bangalore. Kind of less, so it's fine. Traffic started moving. So Muvvatupuzha is around 18 kilometers and Kottayam is around 75 kilometers from this place, that is Perumbavoor. One good thing in Kerala is they have beautiful churches. Yeah, there's another one too. Look, huge. I see there's not much of electrical cars on the road as compared to other states. We stopped for a break in a petrol bunk. This is a HB petrol bunk. I feel the price in Kerala for diesel is pretty less. It costs around 94 rupees 65 paise as of today. And it's kind of, I think the ideology is the petrol bunk which is closer to the refinery is comparatively the price is less. Like a place called Bangalore, which is a lot further from the refinery. So always if you come to any coastal town where there is a refinery, try to top up your tanks. That's a tip for the day. They're going to have some showers over here, and it's actually June month is a month where rain starts. The good part of Kerala is on 1st of every June it starts, but now it started this time. The monsoons are a little early because of the climatic conditions and of course global warming and all that stuff, but I think the monsoons have started here. Luckily but it's a pretty hot place today for a hot time. Most probably post evening it might rain. We are now crossing the Muvattupuzha Bridge, and in fact, as history goes, this is the first concrete bridge in Asia. The scary part of Kerala is driving on a single track. The vehicles come really against you, and yeah, it's a kind of a frightening experience. You should really be a skilled driver over here when you drive into the Kottayam district. We are just crossing a pineapple farm. Oh my, we are just crossing a banana plantation. People, check out the beauty of this place. Well, we are stuck right in behind a poultry vehicle, I suppose. It's taking a long time to turn. Yeah, I think now it's a clear road to go. It has rained right now, and just see the beauty of this place. In a few minutes, we are going to reach Pala town. In fact, that's the Pala church, the old basilica. This is the Pala town. Finally, I reached my house in Pala. Pretty hot, but it's a lovely occasion. Celebrating my dad's wedding anniversary in Kerala in style. So they have joined up with their sister, and my mother's sister is staying here. So I came to see my aunt. So they're going to celebrate along with my aunt this wedding anniversary, and it's the 59th year of wedding anniversary. So let me introduce you to my family folks over here. This is the first part of the celebration for the 59th wedding anniversary. So first, I'm going to introduce my cousin. This is Aji. Yeah. It's good. How are you?
Good.
After a very long time, we're meeting each other.
Yeah.
Meeting you, Aji. Well, this is my cousin brother. Just have a look at him. Let me introduce you. My cousin brother, Roy. He's a businessman come actor. See, you can see the little, his face doesn't look like an actor actually. He does mostly Malayalam movies. And welcome to our show. Now our lunch is served, so let's dig into it. This is beef fry?
Yes.
Whoa. Avial? Mean period, no? It looks, I thought avial.
Mean avial.
Oh, mean avial. Mean period. Mangoes, Pulisheri.
Pork.
Oh, it's pork.
What is Pudishin?
This is Pulisheri, yeah?
More.
More, yeah, more. And this is Thoran.
Beans toren.
Beans Thoran.
Beans alla payara.
Custard beans.
ഇല്ല
നീളമുള്ള പയറില്ല.
കാരമണി തോരൻ. കാരമണി തോരൻ. How is it, Daddy?
Very fine.
Oh,
Malayali meal.
Kerala food, huh? Home food.
Home food.
Oh. How about Amama? How is it for me?
Very nice.
Oh. Hello, folks. And it's been a long day today. Met my relatives, and it was a great experience in Pala. Now I'm getting back to Thrissur. There's another 2 hours 47-minute drive. I'm going to make it up tonight. I don't know when I'm going to reach into Thrissur, into my wife's house. So we are driving over there. Pretty long journey. So hold on, I'll show you how's the food over there when we reach for dinner. So I wanted to tell you the distance from Pala to Ambalur. That's the place I'm going to, and it is 102 kilometers. Well, there's a lot of traffic also at this time. So I think so it's 6 o'clock. I should be there by 9 o'clock for dinner. And I'll show you how's the dinner. My mother-in-law she's a very good cook. So she's prepared some great dinner, I suppose. So I'm going to have it and I'm going to taste it. And I'll show you what's the food they're going to serve. Finally, I have reached home after 3 hours. It's 9 o'clock. It took me 2 hours, 45 minutes, almost 3 hours. There was a lot of traffic and I have reached home. Really tired, had a long day, and I would just like to show you how is it in a Kerala house when a guest comes here to their house, how do they make the food. So let's see. Before that, I'll just have a bath and freshen up and then I'll show you the dinner. I had a good bath, freshened myself. Now I'm going to have dinner. Really tired, had a long day. It's around 9:30, 10 o'clock in the night. I'm going to have my dinner. So my mother-in-law has really cooked up a lot of stuff for me and for my family. Really hats off to her. I'll show you what she's cooked. So come on along with us. Come on along with me. The starters is beef cutlet. The next is pork. This is mutton gravy, papads, and this is followed by rice. This is fresh parotas. Then this is beef curry. Parota and beef curry are the famous side dish as well as the dishes over here in Thrissur part. And this is boti fry. This is my father-in-law's gift for me. Parota and beef curry. This is what I'm going to eat right now. And this is the delicacy in Thrissur, as I told you. And let's take a little parota. It's nice, soft, and slightly tarnished with. It's like a little burnt. That's the way they give it. It's soft. It's soft bread made with maida. Let's taste it with beef. My mother-in-law makes it very well. Lovely beef. Here, especially in Kerala, you get the best beef. Best with coconut, with onions and coconut oil. Gives an excellent taste. When you come to Thrissur, try this dish. There's papads, beef cutlet. This is sardines, chicken. There is some gravy, salad, and konju fry. This is prawn fry made with coconut oil, made in coconut oil. And I'm gonna taste it. And of course with some shandy. I made this with local beer and some Sprite. It's got a lovely taste, and even the bitterness level of this beer is less. It's a Kingfisher beer, blue. So let's gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste this food and I'll give my. So I mixed all these dishes together and having the most sumptuous meal. And it's gonna be tasty. It's already I'm drooling. I'm gonna taste it. Amazing. This is the food that we have in Kerala. Finally, some pineapple cake. That's the dessert. So this is my pineapple cake. Wow. Super. I bought this from a bakery called Paulson's Bakery. They make the best pineapple cakes and carrot cakes. Super duper. Really try it. And now I'm full. I just can't eat anymore. I'm like super full. Well, I hope you would like the video. And in this video, we have shown a trip from Pala to Thrissur. And what is the hospitality in each house. I showed you my relative's house, what is the food they serve for lunch. Also, you would have seen the food that is served in my in-laws' house. This is the hospitality that you get once you come to Kerala. That's why they call it the God's own country. I have good memories of Kerala. I am really happy to be here in Kerala too. So if you like a video, like, share, comment on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye and see you next week in Bangalore. Bye-bye and good night. Happy weekend too.